Dance is the only art of which we ourselves are the stuff of which it is made. The art and the artist is the same. And what are we made of? We are made of the Pancha Tattvas, the five elements. Not just us. The entire universe, down to the smallest particles, are made up of these five elements. The multiplicity of these elements hold the whole Prakriti together. Let us now celebrate the coming together of these five elements in a grand manner. The series of the next five dances by classes 3B, 3D, 2A, 3A and 3C pay tribute to these five elements that embody nature within and without us. The five elements, ever changing yet still the same. Nothing works without them. The balance is crucial.
रक्षा